In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily delete a widget from the lock screen on your iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's get started, and first let's move on to the lock screen. To do that, just swipe down from the top of the screen, and it shows the lock screen with the widgets and with all of your notifications. You can hide those notifications by swiping down, and then all you have to do is just touch and hold somewhere at the blank space to activate that edit mode, and then just select customize. Then choose lock screen, and then in order to remove some widgets, just tap on it, and on the next step you will be able to remove any widgets just by hitting at that minus signs. If you want to add new widgets, you can select any widget, then just tap on it to add it to that widgets bar. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.